So I'm in Adobe Illustrator. I have this sunflower piece. It's one piece here. And then I have my initials grouped, and I just did that by placing the letters together on the computer and grouping them. And once I had the three letters how I wanted them, then I hit group. That's ungroup. And what I'm going to do now is place them in the middle here. I want them touching the sunflower, and then I'm going to align them so they're completely in the middle. Select everything, and then I'm going to click Unite the Path. So now it's one piece. Then I'm going to save as, this PDF file, okay? But I'm going to cancel that because I already saved it. So then what I did is go to Glowforge and create, upload from file, sunflower car charm, open. It takes a minute to process. And then there it is. It's one piece. I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to make it about 4.5 inches. So let's see. That's about 4.5 right there. And then I just have to plug in my machine and get everything ready to go. I have my machine connected, and I put my medium walnut hardwood proof grade material Glowforge sent me, so just try, see how it turns out. I clicked on these three buttons and I clicked set focus and put it in the middle so it focuses on my image and where I want it, and now it's ready. So I'm going to hit print, and let me know. It's preparing 2 minutes. Easy. Okay, I'm going to go to the machine and get going. I stained it. It's cute, huh? With this color wash tint I got at Michael's. So now I'm going to put a string in and some beads. And then I'll put it in the car. Looks cute, huh? Let it dry a little bit.